Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by powering on the watch and making sure the iPhone is ready. Keep both devices close. Bluetooth and Wi-Fi must be active. Open the watch app on your iPhone and tap Start Pairing. When the animated pairing pattern appears, point your iPhone camera at the watch. Frame it until the app confirms. If you prefer, choose manual pairing to enter the code shown on the watch. Once done, the devices will authenticate and move to the next setup stage automatically. Now you configure essential options so the watch matches your needs. Choose to set up as new or restore from an iCloud backup. Restoring saves apps and settings. Sign in with your Apple ID to enable features like Apple Pay and Activity. Agree to the terms, then choose Location, Siri, and Analytics preferences. Create a strong passcode on the watch. This secures Apple Pay and health data. Once chosen, the iPhone will begin syncing apps, music, and settings. This can take several minutes. Finish by waiting for the full synchronization. Check that notifications and health data appear correctly on the watch. If you have a cellular model, follow prompts to add your plan. Make sure your carrier supports the watch. Test basic functions. Make a call, send a message, and use Wallet for a quick payment. If something fails, restart both devices, toggle Bluetooth, or reset network settings on the iPhone. As a last resort, unpair and repair the watch to clear stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.